Hi everyone, Ron Crider here again. Today we're talking about Barix boxes once again, but this time we're talking about how to rescue a Barix box. This is a Barix box that somehow or other has gotten itself into real trouble and you can't log into it because maybe somebody changed the password, maybe you don't know what the password is. In any event, you kind of have to start all over again. So as we did in the previous video about using the discovery tool, we're going to have to go and get another device here. So in this particular case, we're going to log into the Barix, download, it's just exactly like we did before. Now when we get here to the downloads, we want to go to broadcasting in this particular case. Last time we were looking for the discovery tool. This time we're looking for the STL. We want to use the ABCL RTP STL firmware. This is a 3.08 version, and we're going to click on that red line there, and you can see over here on the left-hand side it's now downloading. Take about 20 seconds for this to download, and then once we get it downloaded, we're going to open it. We'll have to, it's a zip file, so we'll have to unzip it. Okay, we're just about ready to do so. So let's go in here to the folder, and let's go to this one because as you can see, I've done quite a few of these. And I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to extract all. So it's going to unzip that. Alrighty, now let's open it up, and we're going to go to Update and Rescue. Now, to begin with, we have to know what serial port this is coming in on into this computer. So you're going to need to have a very special cable that I am going to post on this website, so to speak, with the video. And you'll be able to click on it and go to Amazon and get this cable. It's less than $20. It's a USB to serial DB9, and it is it's not expensive. Like I say, it's not expensive, but you must have it. It's called a serial to null USB cable. Serial null USB cable. So, but we also need to know before we do this what serial port it's plugged into, because we've already done that. I'll show you what it is later. So we're going to go down to here, and we're going to go over to our Windows settings, and we're going to go to devices. We're going to type in device manager. And we're going to go down here to the ports, and voila, the USB serial port is on COM port 3. It's plugged in. The USB is plugged in to COM port 3. So now that we know that what we're going to have to do is get out of here, go to the serial port 3, click on that. Only do one at a time here. Now we have to go over and unplug the unit and plug it back in again. So stand by for 1 second while I do that. This is an InStreamer 100, so I've unplugged it, plugged it back in, and it's getting ready to start updating itself. And here we go. This is a good thing. It's always good to see this do this. Now it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for it to clean out what's already in there and redo the software, put the new software in. This is going to be an STL. Now there's other pieces of software that you can get for these Barix boxes to make them do different things. But we use an awful lot of STL because it is instantaneous. There's no delay getting from the studio to the transmitter, and that's what we think is a good thing to do. It does take a little bit more bandwidth, but it does work quite well. So it's going to have about 200 or 300 of these little files that it's going to put in there. And as I said, I will post the click on where you can click on and it'll take you to Amazon to get this cable that you need. But if you have a Barix box, you really need to have this cable, and you want to keep it close by with your computer so that you can get into it and use it if you need it. And the worst thing in the world is you have a Barix box that you can't use because something's gone wrong with it and you need to reset it and need to put a new password in it. You can't get in it to do it. And pushing the reset button once a password has been put in will not reset it for you. So that is not a good thing. Press any key on your keyboard now because it's finished, and that will reset the Barix box. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go out of here and we're going to go back to where we have our discovery tool. And right here's our discovery tool. Click on that and you can see that it says discover.jar, J-A-R, and like I say, you must have your Java in there. Then you hit get, and there it is. It's all rescued and nice and neat. And we can click on here, go to the web browser, and just to be sure that you got the right software downloaded, it wants to look like this. It's going to say Studio Transmitter Link, and you're all set to begin to set it up. But you're going to have to start all over again. You're going to have to put all the new information because the information's not going to be there. And as I said before, make sure you put some identification down here. I'm going to call this spare. Just because this is what it is. It's a spare in-streamer, and I'll be able to remember what it is when I see it in that list. And the other thing you want to do is turn this Sonic IP off so it doesn't talk to you. Hit apply. It will change that. And then I always go and hit home. And it will take you back. And it's resetting itself right now. And I generally do this because I want to see it come up fairly quickly, and pretty soon there it will be. If you like the video, please give me a like. Please subscribe. When I get new videos for broadcasting applications, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a really great day.